Back on thing.
Shout hit then! Fuckers. That's him. There. There's my magazine.
Yes, yeah.
Got too much, carrying too much stuff.
No, you got your Mac. Yes, that's not handy.
That's where he moves in. I'll be back.
Oh, what's he forgotten now?
Please do not go under the fruit or around it. Yes, mate, you got a question? Back in the safe zone.
Shut up. Oh, sorry.
I'm so hot.
Oh, it's alright.
I'm so hot.
It seems like a you problem.
I can make it a you problem.
Can I show him in the coat?
Yeah, do it.
Ow! I haven't even got. Oh, I haven't got a mag in, so come and me.
Someone put one in him.
Ow! I'll show you coat!
See,
Yeah, behind my coat is still my shoulder blade.
the thing is... Is that good?
Yeah.
Thank you, darling.
Recording?
Yes.
I don't know Hi.
Hello, darling.
Both are punching people fake, they don't go fuck.
So you're waiting for your teeth to fall out?
They're both fake, so they don't go fuck.
But they're like baby vampire teeth.
Oh shit, that was live.
So it was.
Where's the fun switch?
I don't, I've only got 2 mags on me.
That's your problem.
That'll do.
I'll show you one. You've now got one mag left.
Where are we looking? Where are we looking? On your left, on your left. On your left. They're coming up down the left as well. Wind your bag, mate. Doesn't sound like it's firing. Oh, that's a big puddle. I don't want to go in that. Fuck it. Let's just go boldly. Whoa. Really? It's these fuckers in the bushes just over here that's fucking us. Skull cracker. I need some cover. I need some help. Here. Good shot. Medic. Any chance you can just slap it on me? Careful. Doesn't. That's one, mate. On the right hand side of the causeway there. Foz. What's your head? Oh shit. I just found it in a bush here. Oh, my fucking knees hurt. Need a sitting position. Friendly, 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 friendly. It is. Fuck off. Basically, we've been doing areas and all. They've stopped coming down here.
Me and Dad have just been in the past.
Yeah?
Yeah, more spam.
Nice. We've kept them at bay. They've not come up here at all because we've just, every time they have, Bosh headshot, Bosh this. It's quite nice in here, isn't it? If you can make sure we don't get snuck up from that side, that'd be fantastic. Because that's my biggest worry. I hit that guy. Oh, fuck off. Getting rid of trees, man. You're not. Oh, you haven't got a silencer on, have you? Never mind.
I can put it on, but I'm going to shoot all over the place. I might do it just to maintain my own control.
Oh, right, it on the rift. Got one. Mate, literally 9 o'clock to you. I'm going to get I don't know how. Literally here. This direction. Left more than that, down there. Oh shit, they're all coming. Fuck, we're in trouble. Just seen loads run right to left. Shit, I'm getting shot at somewhere. Either that. Oh, see what I mean? That's really close. Is it? No, that's not. That's coming. It's coming from our left, 100%.
Oh, I see. Yeah, mate, that took him a good like 2 or 3 seconds.
Oh yeah, they're getting salty because we've completely denied them of this area for ages. Buggers. Oh, he's dead. Keeps very still. Keep very still because he's looking round where we all are. Yep, that's not friendly.
That fucking hit. Oh.
Shout hit then!
I did not hear him call hit.
Steve! Salty player.
He put his hand up, he didn't call hit, we couldn't see it, and then he complained.
He's in a bush and he puts his hand up and down, shout hit.
Oh mate, you're so hidden, I can't even.
That's what we want.
Fuck's sake.
Go on, Greg, close to the camera.
Oh, you want to do a posing?
Always poke.
Careful with the front
Stick it on
and that way.
safety, aim at me.
Because they are starting to litter this area. Yeah, there we go.
Oh shit, I'm gonna die here. Marcus, you can put my armband back on. It's just because I took it off of his photo. Who wants a white armband? Do you know what I mean? Hit! Good shot! Hit!
You got another band?
Yeah.
Fuck off.
I'm moving out of the way for you.
The gas chamber left side.
Medic!
Is it?
That's one. Sometimes it's best not to res people until you've sorted the problem out, isn't it? I need to move because
there's a few of you. Still get support.
Well, that, yeah.
Oh, there's another one to the
That's
left.
right.
Now.
Oh, I'm going round here. I've got him. He's here, I got him. Got another one. Oh, I heard that one. Shame I moved my scope cam too quickly, so I wouldn't have captured it. Are they out, or are they just walking around with their guns out? Don't know, but that guy's not. Now his hands up.
I think that we've already